Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Team VRY. So here on the channel we do cover a lot of tech from different brands, and while I tend to use mostly Google and Android products, I do have my fair share of favorite devices from Apple as well, and it does provide me with a better perspective of tech in general. With that said though, I've been using the MacBook Air with the M1 chip for a few years now, and we finally had a chance to upgrade to the MacBook Air M3. And I just want to show you guys a quick unboxing of this laptop in case you're planning on getting it and maybe you're curious about what you're going to get with the new MacBook Air. With that said, let's get started. Alright, so let's start off with a quick rundown of the specs on the MacBook Air with the M3 chip. Now this laptop was launched back in March, so what we have here is the base model with the 13.6-inch display. The MacBook Air M3 does come with 8GB of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, a 16-core neural engine, and as we mentioned, a 13.6-inch display, a 1080p front-facing camera, a MagSafe 3 charging port, 2 USB Type-C ports, Touch ID support, and of course a 3.5mm headphone jack for your wired headphones. Now unboxing the MacBook Air M3, you do get the laptop, but we also get a bunch of other stuff in the box, including the charging brick, which does come in 2 pieces. Now, if you're in the UK, this is the kind of charger that you're going to get with the MacBook Air M3. Now, this comes separately, so you need to pop it in. But yeah, that's all it takes to set it up. And we do get a new braided cable for the MagSafe charging port, although it does come with USB-C on the other end to plug into the charger. And yeah, those are pretty much your accessories for the MacBook Air M3. Now, looking at the laptop itself, it does come with a newer design compared to the MacBook Air with the M1 chip. Now that one had tapered edges, and this does feature flatter edges, which is a bit similar to the newer iPhones that we're getting nowadays, especially with the flat look on all sides. So on the left hand side, you do get the charging port as well as the 2 USB-C ports, and it's good that we finally have a separate charging port because on the MacBook Air M1, you did have to sacrifice one of the ports if you ever wanted to charge your device and use a USB-C accessory at the same time. On the right hand side, it is pretty bare except for the headphone jack, and yeah, that's pretty much all the ports that you get on this computer. It does come with a notch, which is something that we've seen on other MacBook models. It's pretty much a very subjective issue if you're bothered by it, but personally, I just got used to the notch and eventually the dynamic island and some of the other Apple products that we have here, so yeah. As for the color, I just wanted to get a space gray model. Of course, Apple does sell this in several other colors, including Midnight, Starlight, and a much lighter silver. So yeah, this is pretty much the MacBook Air with the M3 chip. This is what you're gonna get in the box if you ever buy it here in the UK. So that's all the time that we have for this quick video. Let me know your thoughts about this laptop in the comments below. Are you gonna get one for yourself, or do you already have it? Or maybe you have a different color? And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.